Hello everyone, this is Laura speaking. So this is just a short video on how to download Scratch to your computer, and it's free. So just open up your browser, just type scratch.mit.edu, and you press the enter key, or just click on download and it takes you straight to this web page. Okay, and then scroll down all the way to download. You click on download, and then this is where you choose your option, your OS option. So if it's for the Mac computer, for the Chromebook, for Android, and then you have the Windows, of course. If it's a Windows, then you click on this direct one, and then it will download. Okay, so once it downloads, it's going to take time to download. Alright, so once it's done, then you can just go ahead and click it or locate the file in the downloads folder, or depending on where the destination is. And then let's see. Okay. All right, so this comes up, the installation dialog box appears, and you can just go ahead and click on the install button and then just go from there. Okay, so that's how to download Scratch. Thank you.